Well, hello everyone and welcome to the first vintage television video of 2024. So what have we got on the bench today then? We have got a 1970 DER rental television which uses the enormously popular Thorn 1500 chassis which came out about a year or so previously. Now back in 1970 you'd pay about 10 shillings a week to rent a television like this, about £24 a year. And this one is incredibly rare because what happened when they reached the end of their working life with DER is they were all destroyed. So somehow this is the one that got away, the one that escaped with its life and ended up here 54 years later. Now this came in a couple of weeks ago as a complete basket case. It had been stored quite badly for a long time and it needed a great deal of new components to make it work again like this. So in the following little video you'll see exactly what work went into this.